Guys, good morning. Yes, baby. We're going on the farm, the kids and I. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a farm vlog. So I decided to take you guys along with us. See little farmer there without shirt, Farmer Joe. Maya is here saying that she wants to learn to do farming.
I know how to do farming already.
What do you know to farm?
I know how to farm corn.
Who taught you?
Bean.
Who taught you?
Are this a patio? No.
This is
Mother
a nursery.
Mother
It's a nursery, right, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
And it's, what does it sow here?
Pepper.
Pepper?
Yeah.
Only pepper?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, baby. That's the pepper seed. Alright, come look at Candy. So guys, we're going down by the tomato nursery. We catch you when we reach there. So guys, we reach at the tomato nursery bed. Here is this over there, and here my little niece. And here is Farmer Glenn. Farmer Glenn, say something to the vlog.
Good day, ma'am.
All right. So this is it.
This is my farm.
Tell them about the nursery. I said that not everybody know how to do this. So tell them a little about it.
Yes, you dig up the dirt, throw in your manure into it, store it up, and then you spray it with some poison so you see.
So the poison is to what? To kill insect?
You keep away the ants or the worm or some little bug or something.
Okay, guys. This is it. How long the tomatoes stay in the nursery bed? How long before you transplant it?
At least 3 weeks.
So how old are these?
They're about a week and plus.
Okay.
So a week and a half left to start.
Okay.
That one so after this.
So this one is obvious because this one is coming up more than the other one.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So guys, we're heading towards another nursery.
One year they will run restaurant to buy 15 or 20 pounds. So after sharing done, you know, buy no more.
So she do without the pop choy? Yeah. Look at Nisi. Farmer Nisi. Farmer girl. Farmer girl. You know, so me can't manage Maya. Maya say. Kupa him too. Yeah, run Nisi, run come. Don't do farm chaka chaka. Chaka chaka farm that. Huh?
You come and popcorn with a pop toy.
Alright, my daughter. So my daughter, do the part of the vlog here. Where are we?
At the farm.
What are those?
Pop toy.
Okay, my daughter. So what you know about pop choy?
You miss that mother used to banana father.
Oh, so stepmother, father plant it, father plant it?
I'm a one farmer too.
Okay.
He plant everything. Pumpkin, tomato.
Leave people business alone. Pass, we have to say about this now. We have to say about the pop choy now.
That one ready to plant now.
This one. Alright. So this one ready to plant now, guys. So this is the nursery bed of the pop choy. So it's ready to plant them. And we're getting rain. So how soon will you plant them, Passy?
One day in a week, you might go start planting.
And to be honest, when these come, they are always fluffy and nice.
Yeah, man.
They ever big broad leaves.
What's that alarm that was to me?
And over here, see the pepper them, yeah?
Melanda? See there.
So when you got transplant the pepper them?
The pepper can stay as long as you want him to stay. You know.
Okay.
You don't give enough water and he stay there till when you're ready. But you see, Pop try now, whether you're ready or not.
You have to plant
When
it.
you're ready, you have to plant.
And if I don't move it, what happen?
And it's turn foolishness. Look on them. You see them big one down there, so I took my name on them.
Okay. You have to move them.
You have to remove. A nursery, you know, so you have to move.
No, man. These are young. Papaya tree. Where's the fit one, Maya?
It's that one over this one.
Which one?
It's over this
This one? This one? Where? This?
one. Yeah.
You're saying that this is fit?
Yes.
Jay, is this fit? Tell Maya when the fit what you look like. Don't. That one is fit?
Yeah.
No, they are young. Jay, tell Maya what it looks like when it is fit.
It'll be that right, funny.
Tell her the color it has.
You don't even know things about
Ripe. When something is ripe, what color does it have?
yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
Anytime you fit, you show you start show you a brown look.
A brown look first.
And you know, say, you must fit.
Before it turn yellow?
Yeah, man, you can't pick it
How
up
are
time.
they?
When you see him brown, you know, say fit.
Okay.
You can't pick it and put it on and it ripe.
And it ripe. So you don't have to wait until it ripe to pick
No,
it.
you don't have to wait till it ripe on it.
So guys, now we're on the cane farm. Farmer J cane farm. So Jay is going to trap. Farmer J Passy. So he's going to trap some cane for me. Brother, come back up here so.
Look for this. Give me it, Jay.
Everyone want the cane. Everyone wants the
Give
cane.
me. Auntie needs your cane. So me, for me and my mommy. Chop one for me.
Jay, chop these for me.
No, for Auntie Lisa.
Yours? I thought it was mine. You're gonna give me some? Okay, my nephew.
Nice boy. You can change it here. That is nice for you.
Have to learn to share.
Still no more.
Huh?
You know.
I was sweet, my niece. I was
I saw when he come around here, you know.
she happy.
You see when he come around, what you say?
My niece ever happy. Me love that.
We will go around there.
Guys, I'm wearing barefoot.
Never see you draw suckers yet.
Kick you over, kick you over.
Your daddy look for me.
So you have a specific way for draw the sucker?
So yeah, no so passy.
I big one them no want to draw.
Then a big one that pass.
Pastor Glenn, we are farmer down here.
You have to take time to draw them up here because they're crispy.
As you hold them, they pop
They
up.
pop.
That's why me know.
No pop farm is still low because I know if you drop sucker.
You know, cause Guys, look here. And me jar this up with the root of fire for it. Mama J, that's in a man.
Pinita panty.
I don't know, say since me come over here, I wanna cost do. Cause I don't need a cost. I don't want to see me no farmer. Yes, baby. You plant it right there? Alright. Come on, now come down so. That's what if you plant. Y'all sexy, see guys. Sexy farmer. Bati bati. Give me fast fatter. Jay, we have to command them for.
Jay, get up. Party don't want too much farmer right now. Yeah. Me and my son.
Tell them how food.
Yeah.
We not forget
So
market.
guys, you can soon come buy some pork chow from us.
Yes. And we're gonna sell it too, not cheap, you know, guys.
Yeah, like $100 pounds.
Yeah, that's not expensive. That's very cheap.
Yeah.
So what about the foreigner them? What you have to say to them? We not only cater for Jamaicans.
No, the foreigner them like we can just raise it to 150 cause you know.
We have to show them a foreigner if he say they have money.
No, not because them have money.
What?
Cause them have to just give a little tip more.
What?
Little tip more on the road. And my girl, you need to plug it. Show them.
What you say? You know, see, you're not good girl.
Yo, how you plant that one?
Tamara.
I know me.
I know you. Who?
I know me.
I know we know we they down here so.
I know me.
No, I know look how I plant. You plant good time, but me no. Yo,
He
you
means
dig a hole, you know.
he
You
miserable.
dig a hole.
And what they do?
Then put it on the side. Okay. Little.
Pinita. Pinita my panty.
You plant yours there?
I see it.
Bye.
You're a farmer boy. You're a farmer boy?
Yeah.
Aye.
You know which part you plant, you know, my girl.
You should look how you picture them stand up.
Wow, they're firm.
Me panty me Anita.
Very firm.
Yeah.
Mommy, you tell me panty me Anita.
It's sweet too. Alright, we'll give you your
one
props.
you plant?
Implant one down there so. And it turn up.
You know, me say to my planter. Yo! Hey, man.
Them are?
You come grow.
Go walk your one
Go
grown.
grow. Go walk on the one grow.
Go walk.
Hey.
Go walk your one grown. You hear me I tell you? Me only I turn up and look. Don't them the plant good. And me plant them. You plant good?
Oh, sweet, you see.
No.
You know plant good?
You know plant in our hole. Them four there.
Oh, a Tamara do that.
Where?
No, them there.
Then one day the
Them
so.
there.
Oh.
1, 2,
2, 3,
4.
4. Tamara and you. I know me plant there one
I
day.
take up in all the committee. I would pop off your finger. Oh, Yopi. Alright, pop off your finger down.
Here to it.
It hurt feel good still, I mean not lie. Get your finger dirty. Yeah? Alright, look at me. Are you saw me fi put it on you? Tomorrow night, you saw me fi vlog in my dance. Okay. Alright, so vloggers, vlog world. Until then,
Yes, this is the end.
this is the end.
Take care, guys. We love you.
Take care, we love you. Tomorrow, I love you. Look there, guys. Beno and all these things. Bye, guys.